Hi everybody. Just up here like the King Kitfoxflyer in the middle of November, Canada. This is the type of weather we got. See, a whole hell of a lot to see. This is one of the bulbs on the top, one of the lights. Inside the light, this little doodad right here. Losing battle here. Anyways, that's what's inside that light. Just that little bulb. Tower looks like this. This is an FM radio antenna here, one of the local radio stations. And you can see a guy wire heading out there towards the field. So I'm up about, I think it's 5 or 6 feet. I'm getting a little slippery. Okay.